I hope you're able to see my screen. And welcome to our new channel. In this channel, you'll be going around on a journey with me on learning Python. I'm a beginner, and I think you're a beginner too. And yeah, let's get started. So, today we'll be thinking of installing Python editor and interpreter. Yeah, to install the interpreter, we type in Python download because Python's the interpreter in on our search bars, and then we go Python, and then you just click on the download Python, the latest version for macOS, the yellow one. Just click on that. It's the latest version, and you'll need it. So download Python, and there you go. You see the Python package downloading. Yeah. So yeah, that'll take a couple of minutes. Okay. The thing about waiting, it's frustrating, and it's the worst part. I'm not joking. It's the worst part. I'm telling you. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, we can see that the Python package has been installed. Let's go ahead and click on it, and then Python will install. Continue. You just go and continue, and then agree, and then install, and then you type in your login password, which you'll need to download softwares on your Mac. This will again take a couple of seconds, and I'll see you there. Okay, I think it has been downloaded. Oh, yeah, finally it has been downloaded. And yeah, this the following. Okay, yeah, congratulations, Python has been installed. Okay, done. This step, the next step which I'm going to do is optional, but I recommend it. So to confirm that Python has been installed, you go to Launchpad, and then you go to the search bar because you might not be able to find it, and it's faster that way. uh, so you go to the search bar, and then type terminal. Okay, wait 1 second. What is happening? Okay, so this isn't working. So I'll be going to the launchpad and typing terminal. Yeah, so terminals here. Okay, so now what I want you to do is go ahead and type Python and then a space, and then two dashes, and then version. Yeah, like that, the same exact thing. And then you type, and then you enter, and then you get the same exact Python, the latest version. So done. Confirm that Python has been installed. Now to download the Python, what do you say, the Python editor. So the thing is, Python editors, there are plenty of them in the market, and I've explored a few of them, and the winner came to be PyCharm, because I found PyCharm to be have a simple and user friendly interface, which is really awesome for beginners like me, and hopefully you. So yeah, let's go on and download PyCharm. But by the way, you can even opt for others like VS Code, Jupyter Notebook and other stuff. So PyCharm we download by going to PyCharm download. Like type that in your search bars, and then click on the first link, and then you download the community one. I think I recommend the community one because I downloaded the professional one, and I was completely lost because there were too many features, and the community one is a simpler one. So let's go ahead and download the community PyCharm. This might take a while. So I'll see you after the PyCharm has been completely downloaded. Yeah. So the PyCharm has been downloaded. I'll click on it and it says opening. Okay. And then yeah, you get the dialog box where you have to basically drag the PyCharm icon into the applications folder. Uh, yeah, and then you get the copying message. Okay. Okay, done. So now PyCharm has been completely downloaded onto your systems. So then you go to Launchpad, and as any other app, you click on PyCharm to open it. Basically, Launchpad is a thing where you find all of the apps. You can even, if you don't have a Launchpad, which I think basically everyone has, but still, you can go to Finder and then go to Applications here and then type in PyCharm. Anyway, it works. And then you open PyCharm. Okay, this is the user interface you'll get when you're faced with the patch with the application. So then you click on new project. Okay, so what you do is you just sift through this process because it'll you just don't need to tamper with everything but anything, but you can check the base interpreter is basically what you downloaded before PyCharm, which is Python. So you got the 3.10, which is the latest version in 2022, I think. In 2022, yeah, October, because there are a ton of versions. Whatever your latest version is, it should be here. So Python 3.10, then done. So base interpreter check. Location is basically where your file gets stored, so that's not a problem. Then you go on to press create, and then it's working. Yeah. So you've created your first workspace. I'm excited and I'm proud of you and myself for doing this. And yeah, let's go on. And then this is just a sample script. If you want, you can just uh, delete this and done. Okay, so this is just about it. You've created your workspace and we are ready to kickstart the Python journey. I'm so excited and I hope you are too. And I'll meet you in the next video where we will be learning about where we'll be probably writing basic lines of code and trying to run them.